and bright, marching in rows, left and right. B for bear, big and strong, dancing happily all day long. C for cat, soft and sweet, purring gently by your feet. D for deer, light and quick, running through the forest thick. E for elephant, huge and grand, waving his trunk like a marching band. F for fox, clever and sly, peek-a-boo, see him fly by. G for giraffe, tall and slow, neck so long, watch it grow. H for horse, fast in a race, galloping with wind in its face. I for iguana, green and cool, sunbathing near the jungle pool. J for jaguar, silent paws, jumping high with mighty claws. K for kangaroo, hop, 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 jumping around, never wants to stop. L for lion, king so proud, roaring loudly, brave and loud. M for monkey, swinging free, hanging from the tallest tree. N for night owl, wide awake, hoot, 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 night songs we make. O for octopus, 8 arms wave, swimming deep in the ocean cave. P for penguin, black and white, sliding on ice, what a fun sight. Q for quail, tiny and shy, quick little bird that loves to fly. R for rabbit, soft and sweet, nibbling carrots, happy treat. S for squirrel, fast and small, collecting nuts before the fall. T for tiger, stripes so bright, creeping softly through the night. U for unicorn, magical and rare, shimmering mane flowing in the air. V for vulture, wings spread wide, circling mountains in a glide. W for whale, giant of the sea, singing songs so peacefully. X for x-ray, fish glowing light, shining silver, crystal bright. Y for yak, fluffy and strong, climbing hills all day long. Z for zebra, black and white, racing stripes in morning